You can fill the electronic customs declaration form online and get a QR code within 2 days before your arrival to Indonesia. Go to the link in the description below. You can select your preferred language. Enter your full name. Email is optional, but the link to the QR code will be sent to your email. Passport number. Select your nationality. Date of birth. Occupation, address in Indonesia. Select place of arrival, flight or other carrier number. It should be the last flight listed in the boarding pass that enters Indonesia. Date of arrival. Make sure it's the arrival date stated on the ticket. Next. Number of bags and suitcases, yours and your family. Number of unaccompanied baggage, which is the baggage that do not arrive in the same aircraft or ship as the passenger. Number of family members traveling with you other than you. Then enter the family members' details. Make sure that the number of members is reflected in the details. For example, if you enter 2 family members, there should be 2 entries. Next, declare the goods you are bringing into Indonesia, such as animals, plants, drugs, explosives, currencies equal, cigarettes, alcoholic beverages, goods that exceed what is typically considered personal use or in unreasonable quantities, and others. If there is, enter the quantity and value. Foreigners visiting Indonesia for 90 days or less are not required to register IMEI for their mobile devices with customs at the point of entry. Declare that you have understood the provisions on the import of passenger goods. You can find out more about the provisions and regulation. Send your declaration. You will receive a QR code which you can print or download onto your device. After collecting your luggage, show the code to the customs officer.